Ẹ káàbọ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí YouTube channel yìí. YouTube channel yìí. Àdàmọ̀ máa kọ́ èdè Yorùbá ní ọjọ́ kan ṣoṣo. Orúkọ mi ni Tósìn Ìbítóyè, èmi dẹ̀ ni olùkọ́ yín. Welcome once again to this YouTube channel. Yes, this one. We're going to be learning the language Yoruba in one day. Just one day. My name is Tosin Ibitoye and I am your teacher for today. I'm sure you must have seen the previous video, but today we are going to be dealing with the alphabets. If you haven't seen the previous video, it's very easy. Just click that button and you'll be watching the previous video just to catch up, and you can watch this one. But today we're going to be dealing with the alphabets, and to start off straight into it, the Yoruba alphabets, yes? So, A. Yep. B. D. Yeah. A. That's A. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That's just right there. Yep. And then. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. So, yeah. The Yoruba alphabet. Let me just, knock it out the park. No, let me just go right to it. Yeah. So in the Yoruba alphabets, we have, just like in the English language, it's quite similar, but some alphabets are missing or they are introductions. Are they introductions? They are introductions. So in the Yoruba language, there's A, B, D, A, E. Yeah, there's two of them. A, E, one has an accent under it. A, E, the second one has an accent. So A, B, D, A, E, F, G, B. Yes, I know that sounds a bit hostile and violent, but yeah, it's in the Yoruba alphabets. That's G, G, and then B with a GB, yeah, with a B. G, B. E, G, K, L, M, N, O. Yeah, that's double as well, just like the E. The second one has an accent under it, so the difference is O. Do you understand? O, P. But the P now is a KP. It's P. I think I should do an entire video, explaining the alphabet P and B. Yeah, but P, R, C, Sh. There's two of them, but in modern Yoruba, you don't need two. You just do, S or SH. So P, R, C, Sh, T, U, W, Y. There's no Z, there's no V. So if you want to join me, we can do it together, yeah? Do you want to look back on your paper that you jotted it on? Just look back and see if we can do it together. You can read it as well as we're doing this together now. So in Yoruba, the alphabets are A, B, D, A, E, F, G, B. Okay, let's have fun with this. A, B, D, A, E, F, G, B. E, G, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, C, Sh, T, U, W, Y. That's it, and that's it for today. The Yoruba alphabet, go over this again and again and again and again. Remember, there's no Q, there's no V, there's no Z in the Yoruba language, and additions are, there's G and there's a GB, which is G and B. Yeah, G and B. Examples of B is Benga. That's a name, Benga. Or Ba, which is take, Ba. There's also the KP. There's also KP, which is actually P. It's written as P, but it's pronounced as K. You try your best to pronounce K and P together. And then in the vowels, there's a duplicate of the E sound. So it's A. So A is the actual E, then E is the one with the accent under it. O is the actual O, and O is the one with the accent under it. But yeah, that's it for today. Not too long, very short class, once a week. This is Learning Yoruba in one day. So signing out, ẹ ṣé púpọ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí pé ẹ darapọ̀ mọ́ mi lórí YouTube channel yìí bá ṣe ń kọ́ èdè Yorùbá ní ọjọ́ kan. Thank you once again for joining me on this YouTube channel as we learn Yoruba in one day. Don't forget to sign up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.